Or let me show you guys where you have to hit it. It's right. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a rubber band right here. Right there. I don't know if any likes hitting it. Right there. That rubber band shit. You have to do it on that. Let me turn on my 360 or some shit. Damn it. I'm getting one hand. It's just too fucking thick. But yeah, you have to hit that part right there. With the wet one and dry one. That rubber band piece right there. Right there, yeah, you see it? It's on top of, it's like a rubber band thing. You have to press against, press the Q-tips against it, and it will clean it no matter what. Well, yeah, that's my tutorial on how to help you guys. Alright, wait up. I unplugged it. That's what moves the DVD drive. You can see. See the rubber band moving? That's what you have to clean it with. We'll clean it. That's what you have to clean actually. You can't really see. It works 100% if you clean it. I just want to show you guys that real quick. Thanks for watching this part 2 actually. It was a video that I just did, but hopefully, because I just wanted to show you guys what you're supposed to be actually cleaning. See there's a lot of dirt on this one. Yeah, but that's what you need to clean. Well, thanks for watching this video. Comment, rate, and subscribe, guys. And I'll keep on making more how to and how to fix stuff videos. Thanks for watching.